Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to show you how to import a Microsoft Excel document into Microsoft Word. Pasting a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word can give your document a really nice graphic element. Now, first of all, you're going to want a blank Word document, and you're also going to want a database, an Excel to be working from. I did a very basic one with my name, my age, and two other young gentlemen and their ages as well. So there's three of us. Nice small database. I saved this as Excel page on my desktop. So once you save it, you're going to go back into your blank Word document. You're going to go up to Insert, File, and then on the desktop, there we go, Excel page. And then I'm going to insert that. And it says, this file needs to be opened by the Excel workbook text converter, which may pose a security risk if the file you're opening is a malicious file. Choose OK to open this file only if you are sure it is from a trusted source. I trust myself, so I'm going to hit OK and open it. And then, it does its thing and it's working. And then we get the spinny thing. And then open workbook. And if you have multiple sheets, you can select which sheet you want, or if you want the whole workbook, you can do that, but there's only one sheet on mine, so I'm going to hit OK, and just like magic, it appears into the Word document, and you can change the size if you want. So if you're worried about it going off the edge, you can, first of all, you could change the font size and make it all a little smaller if you're really worried about that. Like if we had a big one, that just doesn't look good. So you can space it out and make it any size you want so that there's no way it could get chopped off. And that's how you paste a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff, and thank you very much for watching.